everybody, it's Kelly, and I'm back with this 2-page layout today. So I'm starting with that background of that great fireworks paper, which is from Echo Park Let Freedom Ring, the fireworks show paper. Sorry. I'm going to mount my photos on this red paper, which is the Bella Boulevard Bella Besties. It's the freehand graph dot in Macintosh, which is their red. So I'm kind of matching up the two sides there because I'm going to do a bend of this red paper with the photos on it, and kind of just make it go across that way. Now I have this title of July 9th there, and that came from the Echo Park Let Freedom Ring collection there, that July piece anyway. And it's kind of using that to figure out how much of that red I wanted to use if it really was going to work. Then I'm going to take that blue star paper, which is Echo Park Let Freedom Ring, and it's the picnic plaid on the back, but it's the blue paper there. And because I love that star paper and I don't have much of it, I decided to cut it in strips, and then I'll just sort of make it work behind the red paper so that when I put this on, it will look like I have two very large pieces of red paper, but I really don't. You see the picnic plaid right there. So just matching it up using the same piece right there. And I'll do it to the second spot. So sometimes I use a full sheet or full piece of paper behind my photo mat, and sometimes I do what I'm doing right now. Kind of depends on what collection I'm working with and how much a given type of paper that I have that I use frequently. And I use this kind of blue star quite a bit. So and sometimes I'll sneak it behind the photo mat. In this particular case, I'm just adding the strips right on top. And I think that works for this particular layout. And hopefully we'll get this done. I love the fireworks paper there. And I know that a lot of it is hidden, but I have a ton of paper. I could probably retire and still use all of that, and it would be fine. All right. So then I'm working on my title here. I have that fireworks sticker, and that came, it's the die cut. It's a die cut there from the Bella Boulevard ephemera, from the I didn't have that. The Let Freedom Ring collections. Oh my gosh, so much to keep track of. So fireworks sticker from the fireworks die cut from the Let Freedom Ring collection from Echo Park. And then I love this sparkle alphabet here. That is the American Crafts Stickers in Bonjour. And then there is that little July sticker there. And that came from the Echo Park Let Freedom Ring element stickers. So I really like that sort of mix. The in-person, that 9th question mark is so much sparklier, more sparkle there, and it really looks great with it. So the reason it's July 9th question mark fireworks is because in my area, we had rain on the 4th of July, so a lot of fireworks got canceled. My grandkids' hometown fireworks were canceled that day. So they ended up doing them like the weekend after is what happened. And so I love that, that they still did them and enjoyed them as well. So I have that huge fireworks sticker there. And that came from the Echo Park Let Freedom Ring element stickers. And then I'm adding that, that fireworks sticker on the right is from Let Freedom Ring. And then this circle sticker that I'm placing right now is from the Bella Boulevard Let Freedom Ring doohickey stickers. So funny, they're both called the same thing. All right, then I'm adding those stickers right there. Again, the circle sticker on the right side there is from Bella Boulevard. That actual firework is from the Let Freedom Ring element stickers there, as is this one. Kind of playing with that and that one. So I have 2 fireworks stickers there. Just adding those in a couple of spots. And I like that. The one thing that I didn't tell you is on the top right there with the fireworks sticker, and that, which is from Echo Park, and then the round sticker is Bella Boulevard. But that journaling piece there is actually a die cut from the Bella Boulevard ephemera, from that Let Freedom Ring. And I love Bella Boulevard. They do a really good job with their 4th of July themes. And they do one so far pretty much every year. I am now adding these puffy dots in from Pebbles, and they did a 4th of July collection years ago, and I still have some of these puffy dots left. They were formed in a flag, and I really like the red and the blue here, and white, because that's a harder dot to find. The phrase sticker there where you see like family, fun, and a few of the other ones are also from that Echo Park collection. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.